Hello everyone, this is Akshay Agrawal and today I'm going to talk about how to do project planning in fixed bid project. 70% of the success comes from clarity. Push for explicit scope boundaries, comprehensive assumptions, and detailed dependency mapping before execution. Build invisible buffers, 15 to 20% of padding. Never use buffer with client, instead insert 15 to 25% effort padding and slack between milestones. We need to break the requirements into modules using WBS system. For example, user onboarding, account management, payment, loans, notification. We need to plan in different phases. First is design, development, QA, UAT. We also need to use parallel strategy in which we need to run these tracks parallelly. Now, in early 1 to 3 months, we need to gather our requirement that would be at least 60 to 70% clear. We should start the development of UI flows. We should also start the spike of our unknown modules. For this example, loans. In next 3 to 6 months, deliver in chunks. In wave 1, start onboarding notification testing using mock API, start development and integration of payment. In next 6 to 9 months, complete your loan module and build it iteratively. In last 9 to 12 months, start U18 parts, complete your system integration testing, hypercare, performance testing. You should use shift left testing strategies. That means you should start your testing early. You should also look on the dependencies. For this example, we have KYC dependency, payment gateway switch dependency, notification. We need to look into loan application legacy system. So all these dependencies should be mapped and managed properly. So this is a project planning for you for fixed bid project. In case if you want to know more, please watch my detailed video on fixed bid project. Thank you.